How to get an e-ticket on Rex Airlines. Hello, in this new age where things are going digital, you can easily get your e-tickets online without having to visit the airport and get a physical ticket. And how do you get this? It is simple. The first step is to log into your Rex Airlines account just like I've done here. Then scroll down to the point where you can see book flights. So the next step will be for you to book a flight. In order to get an e-ticket, you'd have to book a flight. Then you have to select your origin, that is where you're currently, as well as where you're heading to. Then select your travel dates and your returning date as well. Okay, and then select the number of passengers, click on book now. And then we're taken to the stage where your flight details would be processed. Now, while your flight details are being processed, you'd have to verify your details to be sure that you're not a robot. So take note of that. Then after that, you must note that after you have provided your personal details and you've made payments for the flight that you've selected, a confirmation email will be sent to you to show you that your flight has been successfully booked. In this confirmation email, your e-tickets would be there. Alright, you will receive a confirmation email from Rex Airlines, and the confirmation email will contain your e-ticket. You just select your e-ticket, and then you have a choice to either print it or to download it to your mobile device. So your e-tickets will include unnecessary travel details such as the flight number, departure time, and booking reference. So ensure you keep a copy in handy for check-in as well as for boarding. So that is basically how to go about it. So ensure you complete the booking process here and then make your payments. And once you've made payment, a confirmation email will be sent to you. This confirmation email will contain your e-ticket, and you can download it or you can print it depending on what you want. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.